Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making pressure cooker Mexican chili. Alright, I'm starting out in my pressure cooker and I have a little over a pound of ground beef. I'm going to get that in there. I've set on saute and it's getting hot. And this isn't lean ground beef, so I'm going to have to drain off the excess grease. But it was on sale and you can't beat a sale these days with the price of stuff. I'm also going to add in here with my ground beef, I have 1 onion, 1 green bell pepper, and 2 stalks of celery I diced up. We're going to get that down in there. And I'm going to fry this till the ground beef is brown and the vegetables are tender. Right now that my ground beef is browned up and my vegetables are tender, I drained off the excess grease. I'm going to add in a can of corn. This is 15 ounces, juice and all. I'm going to add in a 15-ounce can of black beans that I drained and rinsed. I'm going to add in a can of chili beans. This here is 16 ounces, sauce and all. That's going to add added flavor in there for us. And I'm going to add in 2 cans of red enchilada sauce. These are 10 ounces each. Right, I'm going to add in my seasonings. I'm going to start by putting in about a teaspoon of salt. You don't need a lot. I'm going to put in 3 teaspoons of chili powder. And I'm just eyeballing my seasonings. I'm going to put in a teaspoon of garlic powder. Don't use garlic salt, garlic powder or granulated garlic. And I'm going to add in a teaspoon of cumin. And that cumin will give it a good earthy chili flavor. And if you haven't cooked with cumin, guys, try it. It's really delicious in food. Alright. I'm going to stir that together. And I think I'm going to add just a little bit of water in there because we're awful thick. Let me get a little bit of water quick. I'm going to add in a cup of water. Right, I'm going to give that a stir. It's smelling good already, guys. I'm going to put my lid on here. Let me grab my lid. Make sure we're sealed. I'm going to set this to pressure cook for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, I'll do a quick release of the pressure. Alright, my chili is done cooking. Now I'm going to finish it up by adding in some shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to add about a cup in. This is going to make it cheesy and delicious and help thicken it up a little bit. Alright, my chili is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a cup and see what we got. I'm serving in a paper hot cup. Why not, right? I'm just using a plastic spoon. See how meaty that is? Let me get in here and try that, guys. This is hot like lava. That's really delicious. You get the chili powder I put in, gives a good classic chili flavor. That cumin's coming out. That enchilada sauce really makes it, guys, gives it a really good tomato flavor. Corn has a slight little crisp on it. You get that ground beef that's seasoned really good. Guys, that's really delicious. Wasn't hard at all. Pressure cooker Mexican chili. Thanks for watching and supporting me. And remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.